honest with you, because about my last, because last year when I heard the news, I couldn't not believe it. Like, I didn't want to believe it at first, but since I saw like the rumors was spreading around, it found out to be true. Then I noticed like it made me feel like in a certain way that I just could not get the words out of my mouth of what I was finna about to say. And it made me so so upset to see my people like this, bro. I couldn't not believe it. I was straight out shedding tears because it's crazy. It's a crazy world we live in, y'all. Long live Dolph, man. He was the first. He was like generally like the first rapper that I ever came across to. Like, this is when before I didn't even had no phone. This is way before when I was listening to him on the radio. I was listening on TV. This and that. You feel like he was my inspiration, bro. They always keep on taking the real ones for us, man. That always be studying up for speaking the truth, bro. That's crazy, bro. Man.
Hey, yo, band play. Hey.
I lost my dog, I lost my mind, no lie, I'm really lost.
Hey. Now, on that part right there, that's where I heard that where that place was surfacing around the net and everywhere. I didn't want to believe it at first. But as soon as I saw like everybody was talking about it, I was like, wait, what? Him out of all people? Why him? Man, let's get back to it, man. It's crazy, bro. Let's get back to it, man. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
I can get it back in blood, but still I can't get back the time. Hey, fuck that humble shit, let's go. You know I'm spazzing out about mine. I got Dolph looking down on me, I know that nigga proud. Hey, don't worry about this, nigga, I'ma hold it down. I went and got some blue diamonds to let them know you're still around. And they should change, I'm still doing my thing and making niggas frown. Yeah, that money's still going in on this paper route. Yeah, I still don't trust these bitches either, I just slut them out. Lately I've been talking to the Reaper, I can't shut them out. I've been praying on my knees, but don't feel like it's working out. Yeah, it's PRE for life, nigga, even after I die. Think I was born with it, I probably go out with my 9. Yeah, I'm about that shit for real, and you can see it in my eyes. I've been trying to drink the pain away, sipping lime.
His eyes say it all, bro. I point this video, no point blank out. His eyes say it all, bro. Bruh, this is... Oh my god, bro. Keep your head off, Key Glock, bro. This is only just the beginning, bro. This is going to push him. This is going to push him to its limit to go even more harder to... Man, I'm trying to tell you, bro. Like, it's really hard when you just lose like somebody that someone that's related to you, that is your own blood, bro. crazy, bro. And nearly from this, my brother nearly overdosed like last year. Like last year in 2021. Almost nearly overdosed. And this happened when I was like downstairs on the game, chilling with the guys on the PlayStation 4 party and everything, and this and that. And then I hear like some type of sounds of like a loud bang at the door. And then I was wondering it was coming from the game, but then again it wasn't coming from the game. Then I start putting my headphones down. Then I start going upstairs and then start seeing at my brother's room. He's way down on the floor, and then I'm just like bro, like what's going on? Like, don't you ever have that adrenaline when you just know things is not right? When things is not going on settling, but just be happening unexpectedly without you even noticing, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That shit is nothing to joke about, bro. Especially when you're going through depression or everything else to that, bro. It's nothing to joke about, bro. Because if my brother would have overdosed, I would have not been on this platform. I would have not potentially be my own self. I wouldn't. I would have not be happy. I would have not like, because majority is, if everybody trying to make my day happy, I'm not gonna be happy too. I'm telling you, man, it's crazy.
And after line, yeah, I'm fucked up, no cap. Just the other day, caught myself crying. Then
I'm glad, like, I also thank God, you feel me what I'm saying? Like, that he didn't overdose, bro, because if he would, bro, I would have not been myself at all, and I just thank God for that, bro. Like, I never done told y'all this, because I knew this shit was getting ready to hit me, bro. I swear, bro.
wipe my face, shoot that shit off and get back on my grind. And if it ain't about no money, then I'm deaf the same time blind. I got dark clouds all over me, but somehow I still shine. Yeah, I bring bags home like groceries. We started flipping dimes. Now I'm doing shows all overseas. Bitch, look at me now. I'm my brother's keeper. Fuck you mean? This shit deeper than rap. And if I ever get the chance, bet I won't miss 100 rounds. Yeah, if I ever get the chance, bet I won't miss 100 rounds. I lost my dog, I lost my mind, no lie, I'm really lost inside. I can get it back in, but still I can't get back the time. Fuck that humble shit, let's go, you know I'm spazzing out by mine. I got dogs looking down on me, I know that nigga smiling. And my auntie looking down on me, your baby still wildin'. I been reminiscing, sipping, twisting up these flowers. Took a look up in the mirror and told that boy the world is ours. Fuck this money, fuck this fame, yeah, I got respect, I got power. They been telling me to sit down cause they know a nigga sliding. Bitch, I carry my own weight, nigga, ain't nothing about me slimy. Yeah, I come from a city, niggas get rich or die trying. Plenty little niggas with big guns screaming out who wanna die. Yeah, I never been a fuck nigga, that never been my kind. I just had a talk with daddy, yo, he told me waste no time. So I'ma put this shit up in they face and keep your name alive. So I'ma put this shit up in they face and keep your name alive.
Yeah, nigga. Fuck everybody and fuck everything, nigga. Get money, nigga. Run that shit up, nigga. Run that shit all the way up, nigga, till you can't run it no motherfucking more, nigga. All the way up,
nigga. And assuming this was and by before that too, they was like Key Glock and Dolph was cousins between that too, bro. And I definitely felt his pain, bro. Hopefully you keep your head up, bro. Keep your head up tall, strong. You feel me what I'm saying? You know, like, don't even get too lost and deep in with yourself. You feel me what I'm saying? Like you gotta expect the unexpected, you know? Like, you don't know what could anything happen, bro. You feel me what I'm saying? Just stay up, bro. Keep your head up high, man. Feel me? Take care of yourself, bro. Cause, like, it's crazy out here, bro. Like, for real, man. But hopefully, y'all enjoy this, man. You feel me what I'm saying? It's your boy G Cycle back in, man. And let me know down in the comments what y'all want me to react to next, man. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
Purchase your tracks today.